you are an open work permit holder, okay? So right now, if you are an open work permit holder, you need to locate and find a job na magbibigay sa'yo ng experience na may permanent residency pathway. And that way, ang tawag doon is yung kapag ka gusto mong mag-permanent residency pathway, yes, you are a PSW right now sa isang company. The problem is that hindi binibigay ng permanent residency yung mga nag-work sa company. Before it was. But presently, walang ganong permanent residency application. But what you can do, since nandyan ka, mawawala yung status mo sa September 2025, what I can suggest from you is to stay and stick working as a PSW worker kasi nga, you need that job and also you are open work permit. I'm okay with that. We're good. You are following whatever the rule being an open work permit. Then, maghanap ka rin ng trabaho na may permanent residency pathway na experience. By doing that, because you are a nursing background, you are a PSW background, I would recommend to find a job as a nanny or as a caregiver in a private setting and while working and keeping your present job. Okay, so hindi. Kasi you're already open permit. They will only put the closed work permit, doing all this LMIA, working work permit application pag nakuha na yung LMIA kapag wala ka ng status. However, right now, ang rule para makakuha ka ng permanent residency experience is at least naka 6 months ka as a caregiver in a private setting. So if you can find a job right now as a caregiver sa private setting or caregiver nanny sa isang private employer, that is actually a PR pathway. Mayroon ka pa, you're losing your status by September, so at least may 6 months ka in order for you to comply at saka accumulate an experience na may PR pathway. And that is being a caregiver and nanny. Now, if you're asking me if you wanted to extend eventually after September 2025, then of course, you will gonna end up wanting an LMIA. But presently, since naka-open work permit ka, I would recommend stick to your work as a PSW sa community center. Then, maghanap ka ng trabaho as a nanny or as caregiver sa isang private setting. Para nang sa ganon, magkakaroon ka ng may PR pathway sa experience mo. The reason why I'm saying na okay ka dun sa PSW, sa community, and then okay ka rin na mag-work sa isang nanny or caregiver sa private setting is that because you are an open work permit holder. You can keep yung PSW mo, maybe whatever, how many hours you want, pero importante you get a job in a private setting as a caregiver or as a nanny for at least 30 hours a week. Okay? So that is actually something that you need to prioritize. Kasi nga, yes, makakapag-work ka as a PSW, as a manager sa restaurant, as a supervisor, any places, but at the end of the day, is there any PR pathway? At the end of the day, you're gonna lose your status by September 2025. Hindi ka pa naka-accumulate ng may PR experience na pwede mong ipaglaban when you apply for open permit or for permanent residency, di ba? Yes, kailangan taxable, kailangan declared yung mga yon. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Kasi nga, syempre, when you apply for permanent residency, you need to prove na nag-work ka talaga doon as a full-time worker. So, that means they wanna take a look on your pay stub. They will gonna ask for your bank statement kasi gusto nilang makita doon na is it really na nagtrabaho ka. And also, of course, employment certificate, notice of assessment. Those are the proof of you showing to the immigration that you really work as a caregiver or as a nanny. As an open work permit from you being an international student, you only have one chance. Okay? They give you this work permit na open, pero that is just one opportunity. Okay? Now, in order for you to extend eventually, you need an LMIA for you to extend after, like before September 2025. But right now, we don't want to worry about the LMIA, but I want you to worry about accumulating an experience na may PR pathway. So that's why I'm suggesting what you're supposed to do.